Most content creators obsess over growth hacks and vanity metrics. How do I get more likes on Instagram? How do I get YouTube subscribers? How do I grow on LinkedIn? While I understand these questions, they aren't the best questions for most people trying to build a business. And you can find the answers by searching around online anyway. Reflecting on these common questions, I have come to an interesting realization. Almost every question people ask relates to their success. How can they get from point A to point B? How can they achieve something bigger? But here's the question that no one asks. How do I get happy customers? That's the million-dollar question people should be asking. See how that takes the focus away from you and points all the attention directly at the customer. So many content creators expect to build an audience first and then deliver value later. The order of operations is the other way around. If you deliver value, your audience will grow. So, along with all those other metrics you're concerned about, you can find all the information you'll ever need about building audiences or perfecting funnels by Googling or watching YouTube or grabbing a great course. But product market fit and customer satisfaction are the foundation on which everything else gets built. Nail that, and organic growth will follow. So, if you have customers, the most important question you can ask yourself daily is, are my customers happy? And if so, why? The most important work you can do, whether you have customers already or not, is to understand your ideal customer struggles and then create solutions that help them. And in order to do that, you have to talk to these people and pay attention to what they share. Make a point to speak with at least 5 people who fit your ideal customer profile. Have a real conversation where you ask them questions about their challenges, goals, struggles, and what they want. Take notes on their answers. Ask them about your proposed solution. Does it sound like it would help them? Are they interested in getting help? Refine your offer based on the feedback that you get. Don't stay focused on an idea that you love if your ideal customers tell you it doesn't help them or they're not interested in it. When your customers describe their ideal solution, take careful notes. A great question to ask, for example, is, what would absolutely delight you? If you hear the same thing from several people, you'll have a specific deliverable to work toward. So, deliver focused value to small groups first, and then let the outcomes speak for themselves. As people benefit from your help, they'll talk about it, share what you learn from helping those people, and refine your process. Then use your content channels to talk about the results you're getting for people and the problems you're solving. It's that simple. I hope you'll find some relief knowing that you can stop chasing follower counts or praying that one of your posts will go viral. You can focus on your customers' happiness instead. So remember that the transformation you offer your customers is the core of your business. The platform you use and the funnels you build are just vehicles for delivering that transformation. But ultimately, growth will be a result of being useful and helpful to your customers. So, your action step right now is to reach out to at least 2 people who fit your ideal client profile and schedule time to talk to them. If you need to pay them to make it worth their time, then do it. It's an investment in your future. And those conversations very well might save you the trouble of building something that doesn't make your customers happy. So, if you enjoyed this video, I can highly recommend you subscribe to my free newsletter in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.